Hello everyone. In today's video we will be showing you how to download Centrestack using the Express web installer. Centrestack lets you mobilize your files for remote access and allows you to share files securely. Centrestack boosts workforce mobility with cloud file sharing and mobile access, while retaining security permissions and familiar user experiences from file servers. With Active Directory and permissions inherited, no other solution better unites existing IT infrastructure's on-premise security with cloud mobility. In just a few steps, you can start a 30-day free trial at Centrestack.com and download Centrestack. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we will want to do is click on Try Centrestack Free. You can put in your work email and create a login. Since I already have a registered Centrestack account, I will simply log in with the credentials I created and download Centrestack. Once you log in, it will display you a range of options to choose from. In this video, we are focusing on downloading and installing Centrestack to a clean Server 2019 machine using the web installer. Once you click on Download and Install, you will see a screen where it shows you the system requirements and supported OSs. Once you ensure your machine meets the prerequisites, you can select the green download button. Now that the download is complete, we will click on the exe we just downloaded. It will open the Centrestack installer folder where a wizard will simply guide you through your installation. It will display the license agreement along with where you would like to install Centrestack on your machine. Once you have completed those, you can select Next and click Install. The installation process will be a couple of minutes. Now that the installation has been completed, we can restart the machine. Once we have restarted, we will see the Centrestack icon folder on the desktop and click into the web portal to further complete our installation. Once we click into the portal, we can configure our database. Centrestack gives you 4 options when configuring your database. The first is default, 2 is MySQL, 3 is SQL Server, and 4 is PostgreSQL. In this case, we will be using default all-in-one. Now that is configured, it will ask you to create a login for the default admin account. Once your admin credentials are created, it will take you directly into the web portal where you can use Centrestack itself. Centrestack is a multi-tenant solution. As you can see, by default it only has one tenant available, which is the default tenant. You can also click on the Add New Tenant to create more tenants. Now let's click on the default tenant to see some of the configuration options that are available for each tenant. In the right panel you have some administration and configuration controls, including integrating with existing Active Directory environment. For more information, please visit Centrestack.com. Thank you for watching this video.